I've come to the Hendy Accident Repair Centre in Dorset because, well, let's just say my car needed a little bit of TLC. They've done such a cracking job. I thought I'd come inside, meet the team and see some of the vehicles they work on. All different makes and models, Hendy have you covered. Even premium brands like Lotus. Hendy Body Shop have been around for over 50 years and they do a complete portfolio of repairs. So if you're really anxious about how much damage you've got, you don't need to be, although that does need some buffing out. So this is a steel car, loud fixed in this one, but if you've got an aluminium car, they can do aluminium welding, riveting, bonding, however hard the job, Hendy have got it covered. Front end damage, don't stress about it. It will come back as good as new. And here at Hendy, they use all genuine manufacturer parts. This is where they mix all the paint to exactly match your vehicle. It's all the latest technology. Don't ask me how it works. All I know is they're good. So before this lovely Lotus goes into the spray booth, it's got to be masked properly.
You said properly.
Curbed your wheels or even need a diamond cut refurb? Get down here. Have you got a Jaguar or a Land Rover? If so, Hendy are one of only 84 JLR approved Category A aluminium structural repairers in the UK. I mean, this rear quarter alone, that is so much work going into fixing this. That's some skill. If you've got an electric vehicle, Hendy have trained EV technicians, so you know you're in safe hands. Thanks, Becky. Great customer service. Now, if you've only got a small repair, don't worry, you can wait while they do it. Cheers. If you want a free, no obligation quote, get onto our website or go down to one of our accident repair centres. Worried about the cost of your repair and don't want to go through your insurance? Well, across Hendy's Body Shop and service locations, you can spread the cost of your vehicle repair with our 0% finance payment plan. Terms and conditions apply. It's been great to get down here, meet the team and see the amazing work they do to restore your vehicles and most importantly, for me anyway, to get mine back. Thank you.
Good.
I must say, great job.
Pleasure.
Cheers.